Good afternoon, children. Today, let us learn the beautiful thought: a mother may be educated or uneducated, but she is the best guide and the last hope in the world when you fail in your life. So, mother is a best philosopher. She can guide you and the last hope in the world when you fail in your life. So, respect your mother, listen the words of your mother. Now let us start dividing the sums and find the quotient and remainder. Now these are the large numbers to be divided. So by divisor 84. So we can't remember 84 table, children. So you can add and write or you can multiply. So multiplication 84 ones are 84. So here the table starts from 84, children. So first number will start from 84. So if I consider 4 only, you will not get the 4 in 84 table. If I consider 46, no again. So you have to first consider the 3 digit. First 3 digit you have to consider. Now start multiplying up to 460. 84 ones are 84, 84 twos are. So start with ones place. 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16. So 168. 84 threes are 3 fours are 12. Start from ones place. 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 1 252. Again 84 fours are 4 fours are 16. 1 carry over. 4 eights are 32. So 33. So 336. 84 fives are 5 fours are 20. 2 is the carry over. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Again 84 6 are 6 fours are 24. 6 eights are 48 plus 2 is 50. I'll stop now here because it is greater than 460. No need of multiplying up to 10. Okay, children? Now see that 460, whether 460 is there in the 84th table? No. So what you have to do is you have to take immediate less than 460. So which is immediate less than 460 is 420. So 84 Fiza. 84 Fiza. First you have to write the quotient, then you write the number. 420 multiplier. Okay. Now first write the minus symbol. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now start to bring one digit down. Now it becomes 402. Now check whether 402 is in the table. Again no. So take less than 402. So which is immediate less than is 336. How many are 84? First write the quotient. 84 4s are 336. Now write the minus and subtract. 2 minus 6 is not possible. So you have to take borrow. Here also we have 0. So go to the hundreds place. So 3. This 0 means it becomes 9. This becomes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 9 minus 3, 6 again. 3 minus 3, 0. Now bring the last digit down. Now you get 668. But we did not write up to 668. So again we start multiplying. 84 7s are 7 4s are 28. 2 is the carryover. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 is 58. Again 84 8s are 8 4s are 32. 3 is the carryover. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 3 is 67. If you don't know how to multiply, you can't do the division sum. If you don't know the multiplication tables, you can't do multiplication and division. All are interrelated. If you learn and practice, you can achieve, children. Otherwise, maths is impossible. Now see, children, 668. Now where is 668 in the table? Again no. So what you have to do? is you have to take immediate less than 668. Why, miss, you can ask me why I have to take the less than number? Why I can't take the greater than? You know, children, if you take greater, you can't subtract. So for subtraction, first number should be greater number, second should be the smaller number. So first 84 sevens are, first write the quotient, you will forgot. So first write the quotient, then you write the multipliers. 84 sevens are 598. Sorry, 588. Now start writing the symbol minus and subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So you can take borrow, make it 16 and make it 5. 16 minus 8 is 8. Again 0. Now here you have to write the quotient and remainder. So you can write quotient is 547 and remainder is, write the spellings correctly. Remainder is, it is in the heading itself, 80. You can check your answer also, children, if you want. If you multiply the divisor into quotient plus the remainder, you get the dividend. Okay, children. Next sum is again a larger number. 9,768 divided by 196. So you can write multiply and write the tables. So here if I take a 9, you will not get 9 in the 196 table. So if I take 2 digit, not possible. If I take 3 digit, this will be greater than 196. So you can search your table. Where is 907? No, again there is no 907. So take the immediate less than 907. That is 788. 196 4s are, what you will get? 788. Now subtract. 7 minus 8 is not possible. So take borrow, make it 17. Here also we don't have digit. Make it 9. You make it this one as 8. Now 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 8 minus 7 is 1 again. Now bring 6 down. So here again we have to multiply because it's a 4-digit number. 6 are 36. 3 is the carryover. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 3 is 57. 6 1s are 6. Again 5 is 11. Now 196. 7s are 7. Up to which you have to multiply means you have to get the greater number than this number. So 7 6 are 42. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 4 is 67. 7 1s are 7. Again 13. So you can check your number. 1196, is it present in the table? No. So take less than. So here we have 196. 6 are 1176. Now you can subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. Remaining all 0. Now you can take 8 down. So it is 208. Now you can see where it is 208. No again. So take immediate less than 208. 96 ones are 196 ones are 196. 8 minus 6 is 2. 0 minus 9 is not possible. So 10 minus 9, take the borrow, 1 0. Here we have quotient is 461. Remainder is 12. Next sum is the easiest one, that is 8,88,888 divided by 888. So here if you consider 1 digit, you will not get in the table. If you consider 2 digit, no. So the table starts from 888. So 888 ones are 888. Now if you subtract 0, 0, 0. Now you can take only one digit in one step. Okay, children? Now, 8, is it 8 possible in the multiplication table? No, again. So place 1 0 and bring one more digit now. If you get 8, you can get 88? No, again. So you have to bring one more digit. So place one more 0 and bring one more digit now. Now 888 ones are 888. Now remainder is 0. So here if you can check your answer by multiplying the divisor into quotient. So you get the dividend. So here we have the quotient is 1001, remainder is 0. If we get a remainder is 0, then the number is completely divided by divisor. It means the dividend is completely divided by the divisor. Next one, you can see 145, again 145. So 145 ones are 145. Now subtract, you get zeros. Now bring 0. Now 0 is not possible in the table, children. So what you have to do, place one more 0 and bring 1 down. Now is it 1 is possible in 145 table? No, again. So place one more 0 and bring 4 down. Is it 14 is possible in 145 table? No, again. So place one more 0 and bring 5 down. Now 145 ones are 145. Here also the dividend is completely divided by the divisor. So the remainder becomes 0. Quotient is 10,001. Remainder is 0. I hope you have understood today's class. Listen the video carefully. Practice the sums of your own by changing the numbers. Keep learning, keep going, stay healthy. Thank you, children.